Well, a lot of you guys have been asking me where have I been for the last 2.5, 3 weeks. The answer is I went to Cuba. The trip really didn't turn out the way that I wanted to. It turned out to be a huge delay. And then I ended up getting my GoPro stolen. The resort kind of ran out of alcohol and had no bread. So anyway, I was gone for 7 days down in the sunshine. I tried to shoot a video. I had one GoPro completely filled up with footage, and then I switched to another GoPro, did the rest of the trip on of it, and then it went missing at the airport. Sort of my fault. I can't really blame anybody else, but I had scuba diving footage. It's all gone. But I figured I'd edit up what I have and try to make a video just so you guys can see what I've been up to. So I got a video coming up about that. That's actually this video. And other things. So thanks for watching, guys, and that answers where I've been for the last 2.5, 3 weeks. Take care. Oh, and the home renos are out of control. They're getting to the point now where it's going to be done soon, hopefully. Hopefully.
Buddy, they're legit 18 hours.
Delayed flight, 18 hours, guys.
Dun, dun,
Somebody call Melissa. That's her fucking job to fix this.
Michelle, come on. Chop, chop. Alex, hurry up. Hurry up, Alex.
You gotta
Come
walk.
on, babes.
You gotta walk down.
Come on. So our flight's delayed 18 hours, so there might be a whole video of just us playing around in the airport and trying not to get arrested.
Woo! Yo, Josh, that's one way you get kicked out.
We broke one already.
Fuck it, I mean, we're gonna be here.
You want to get breakfast at Smash Burger? I wanted to go to Cuba. I didn't want to sit in an airport for a full day.
Santa Clara.
Santa Clara.
2025.
2025. That is 8:25 p.m. tonight, guys. What do you want to do for the next 10 hours?
I might just find a place to nap.
Plane's delayed 14 hours.
I like people with like
We're watching YouTube.
Here.
Is that us?
So if you are please make your way over to gate B20 at this time. That is where your flight.
Good news, it's only 14 hours and 35 minutes now. We've already been here 2 hours. 3 hours.
What time did we get?
Well, they gave us $35 so that we can have dinner here, or we can spend it on whatever.
$35 will buy me half a hamburger.
We have to spend it in the airport. Spend it in the airport. We also have 5 rooms at Embassy Suites for free that we can go and check into.
Right now?
Yep. And then the
5 rooms.
Yeah, 5 rooms. They only have 12 to accommodate all. So I took 5.
Okay.
Is there a pool?
Is there? We don't have any swimsuits because they're all packed.
Hey, I got 3 motherfuckers. Become an official regular member, we all have to skin you.
Come back at 6 o'clock. All we have to do is walk into security with our boarding passes. So they're keeping our bags.
We have to keep our bags because we check. How does this delay make you feel?
Angry. Very angry.
It's broken.
Did you break your suitcase?
I did break my suitcase. Actually, to be honest, I broke my mom's suitcase. So this is not really the trip I planned. To be honest, I didn't plan any of this trip. I wanted to go to Europe, but everybody wanted to go to Cuba. So, like I said, our flight's delayed 14 hours, 25 minutes as of right now. So we're trying to figure out what to do. They gave us a place to go hang out and watch some TV, I guess, but I think all my friends just want to drink, so looks like I might be getting a little drunk today before I even get on the plane. I'm not a drinker, so it's going to be pretty easy for me to get drunk. So we're still here in Toronto. Oh well. Toronto airport's a pretty cool airport. It's actually a very big one, but if you're stuck here for a long period of time, there's not a lot to do. So I know my way around here pretty good. 2 years ago, I probably spent 8 months here, so I know how to get around the place pretty good, and I know where the best places are to eat. I know how to get to Wendy's, Subway, places like that, but I'm just I'm not really looking forward to the next 14 hours. So all my friends are sitting over there, just waiting. So they got us a breakfast. The breakfast was pretty good. But now we have to wait here for quite some time. I need a shiv. Screw toothbrush, screw shiv. So this is kind of turning into a different kind of vacation right now. But we did eat.
Hi!
So we're just going out for lunch. It's a nice day here in Toronto. But still not on our way down to Cuba yet, so trying to figure this one out as fast as she'll come. We'll try to figure it out. But I don't have any long sleeves, I don't have any jackets, anything like that, because I packed it all underneath the plane. Even the wife is a little cold.
You get this situation happening in here?
Do not let other people stop. We're having no. Hey, lights out.
We're back at the airport for the second time today. Let's see how this is going to go down. All the friends are starting to come in.
We're back.
I feel like it's a completely different trip.
Right?
You really suck at this game. Look at the guns he's getting. Look at tense. Look. I can't get ready into his nose. No, that's a good thing. I can't see. Oh.
Soft dressers rules say 4-inch strap protectors. That's it.
Well, it's like 7:40 at night now.
7:51 to be exact.
7:51. That means we've been at the airport since 3:30 this morning, basically. Yes, we went to the hotel room. But we're back at the airport now. And they're saying the plane is delayed another 10-15 minutes. Just for unloading, apparently.
Hopefully they remember to put your bags on there.
Yes, hopefully they remember to load our bags.
Victorious, though.
No, they're going to forget Jesse's because I told the guy my name was Jesse.
Hopefully we get on this plane soon. We did it! We're going to the plane!
I don't give you permission to record me.
15 hours! 15 hours! 15 hours! We're almost there!
More than 15 hours.
We're gonna go to Cuba! We are on the plane.
On a boat.
You're like thick.
Plane.
Could be a boat.
There might be snakes on the
There may
plane.
still be snakes. Ma'am?
15 and a half hours later. Well, we made it. We're in Cuba. We're in Cuba. All the layers are coming off. Just waiting for all the friends who are buying beer and smoking their cigarettes. And then we're off to the hotel. They're not awake. I'm going 33. So here we are in Cuba. I just woke up. We got here at the resort at 4:10 a.m. Everybody wanted to go for a drink and some ham and cheese on a bun. So by the time I got to bed it was 5 and they're smashing up my door at 7 a.m. to go for breakfast. So I don't think they went to sleep. Just went and got some money exchanged into the Cuban currency, which is a very weird currency. And after that, we're just gonna go wake up the wife and go get some breakfast. I want to show you guys around, ocean, places like that. But I don't know. Figured if I wasn't making derby videos, I might as well make a trip to Cuba video. The one thing that you're probably gonna see a lot of is my wife petting cats. All my friends are animal lovers. So we're just gonna head down to the pool and then we're gonna go to the ocean. See some ocean boats. But so far, we've got our big jugs. It's going to be a good trip, I think. 16-hour delay doesn't seem so bad once you're here, I guess. I'm going to do some outdoor adventures, catamaran, that kind of stuff, but we just want to have some fun.
Cassandra! Go underwater. Just go. I don't want to be the one to do that though. So Zach, you dunk it. I don't want to be the one to do it.
It fell off. And then his goggles are filling up
That's
full
a
of water.
fucking weird snorkel.
Is it still beeping? Yeah. Okay. I guess we're good.
How do you pull it off? Try it. I was just trying to.
I was going to do it in an arrow, like, here and then up. And I'm like, I don't know.
Michelle would not be impressed.
How come you guys were in the ocean?
Oh, Josh was there. I see Red jump on it, but I was like, stay. Just pull it on your back.
Well, this is the reason why we came to Cuba. I'm in the saltwater ocean with all my buddies, and I've been wearing this mask. Oh, that's crazy. It's actually warmer the deeper you go out. But this is why we come to Cuba. Oh, salt water.
Come out now.
Oh yeah, we need to get out there.
We're going out where the waves will break.
No. That's where the sharks go.
What?
That's where the sharks go.
That's where the sharks are.
Coming from the guy with earplugs in because he can't take water in his ears.
I fucking can't.
Well, I can't get eaten by a shark.
Well, that's easy.
Saltwater, you know, it's pretty cool to swim in, but it burns your eyes and your mouth and your face and all your cuts. Pretty much it's cool, but it's not. Now just to relax on the beach. Watch yourself, he's got mud. Give it to him. Give it to him. That's it, give it to him.
Just lean ahead, Jesse. Lean ahead.
Just take it like a man.
Oh, let me get the mouth.
I think if you just open your eyes and enjoy the view, you'd be much happier there, Jesse.
I'm keeping your glasses.
Practice for rock.
Just the practice for rock and driving around with your eyes closed?